reason why I got into computers was because before doing computers, I was making beats and I was doing photography. And there was certain programs that I wanted to run, and I had an old computer, an old Dell desktop that my aunt or my mother had bought me when I was in college, that I kept, and I was doing stuff on that. Back then, I was making beats in college as well. So, but I had these computers that they gave me to go to school with, to do schoolwork with, and I had cats coming up to my room up at Morgan State. I got a couple people that, you know what I'm saying, was wrapping up Morgan. That was kind of my jump for production because I made good beats. I played in the go-go bands, and so I knew how to play the instruments. I knew myself around all of the instruments. So making beats was my thing now, once I got out of the go-go scene. And so people were kind of my room for that, but I really didn't have the right computer. And as we was doing these recording sessions in my room, I could feel my computer about to blow the fuck up. Like, that shit just felt like the fan was running real hard. A lot of stuff was going on with the computer where I could tell. I was like, damn, this ain't the right shit. But I mean, we gonna make it happen with what we got. So that was, you know what I'm saying, my passion at the time was making the beats and doing that.